Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect this Linux Mint VM that's running on VMware Workstation to the Wi-Fi network. Now, I'm running this VM on a Windows 11 device. So let's go ahead and see what we need to do to get it connected to the Wi-Fi network. The first thing we'll need to do is to determine the name of the Wi-Fi interface on the host machine, which is the Windows 11 device. Now we can find the name by right-clicking on this Wi-Fi icon and going to network and internet settings. Then here you see the Wi-Fi, the name, and then there's this option to manage your Wi-Fi. Click on this arrow here, and then you see the properties. Click on the arrow again. Scroll down, you'll see the description here. So it's an Intel R Wi-Fi 6 AX200. You can also use the control panel to determine the name. You can say control panel, search for control panel. Click on network and internet. Then go to network and sharing center. Next, go to change adapter settings. Here you'll see a list of all the interfaces on your host machine, including the Wi-Fi interface. So the next thing is to go to VMware Workstation. We need to make some changes. Click on edit, click on virtual network editor. Okay. Now here, if you look at the list, there's no mention of bridged, so we'll need to use the bridged adapter, but it's not listed here. In order for us to see it and to edit it, you need to click on change settings. So right now it's grayed out. Click on change settings, click yes, and then you might have to click it here to open it. Okay, now it's listed here. You see there is an external connection. You need this to be pointing to your Wi-Fi interface. You can make the changes here. Now we have the option to go to click on the down arrow. You see a list of all those interfaces on the host machine. Here's where you'll select it. Okay. So just make sure you have the correct one selected from your list. Once you have it selected, you want to click apply and then click OK. Once that's done, we can go to the settings for this VM, right click it, go to settings, click network adapter. Now here you want to make sure you have bridged selected, the bridged adapter. You don't want to use NAT because NAT is just going to share the host IP address. We want this to get its own IP address from the physical network. In this case, we want this to receive the IP from the wireless router. So once you have bridged adapter selected, you can click OK. Then we can power on this virtual machine. While this is powering on, let me open the command prompt on the host machine, the Windows 11 device. Just check the IP address here. I'm using the command ipconfig. The IP address on the Wi-Fi adapter or wireless interface is 192.168.1.120. So the subnet is 192.168.1. So this is the subnet that the VM is going to be assigned to, but the last octet is going to be different. So let's log in here. I'm going to check the IP address by opening the terminal here, and I'll just type IP address. The IP is 192.168.1.115. So 115 is different from 120. Now with this one having its own unique IP, I can ping it and I should be able to access it with SSH if I needed to. So on the host machine, I can just ping 192.168.1.115 and I'm able to ping it. I can also ping it from another device on the network here. I can ping 192.168.1.115 and I'm able to ping it. Okay. The next thing we'll check is we'll just verify that we have internet connectivity here. I can use ping send 3 packets to google.com. I'm able to ping google.com. I can open a browser and I can go to a website here. And I'm able to access the site. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect your Linux Mint VM that's running on VMware Workstation to the Wi-Fi network. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.